Okay, so we are back with our famous Sal.
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, good, thank you. So we've gone through a bit of a journey. We're trying to now sculpt Sal's face. We've done 2 rounds of dissolving. And now what we can see is if you tilt your head down and look up to the ceiling, we can now see this clear demarcation, my eyes up, of the tear trough. So now we've got volume loss around here. Now a lot of people will call us and say, why do I have these eye bags? It's because the fat pads under your eyes herniate. The degradation with age means the eyes become sunken in. So Sal's perfect for tear trough filler. If we look over here, this is a healthy fat pad, and this is basically what's happened with Sal. So we want to really replace the volume back, and tear trough filler done correctly onto bone, the periosteum, is a fantastic treatment for that. But then what we also want to do is use the golden ratio to give Sal a more masculine face. So what had happened before was you had too much lateral projection, and what that caused was for Sal's face to look a little bit feminine, a little bit too much, and you had too much projection here as well, from what I remember. So we've done some dissolving. What we want is a nice sculpt. That golden ratio of 1 times 1.618. So the intercanthal distance to the exactly where we think. Right here, this is a projection point. So we'll just mark this out. So from the lower tragus lateral canthus, the beautification point is going to be no more lateral than this. So you can see, compared to where it was before, this is a lot more medial. So this is how we keep Sal's face masculine. I don't want any filler in the malar fat pad, this area here, so just there, unless there's a lot of excessive depletion. When Sal walks into a room to look masculine, to have muscles on his face, is right there. So